The first thing is you draw a circle, a bigger circle like this. Draw a bigger circle like this. Make sure it's aligned at the center. It's aligned at the center. Then after that, you draw another one, a smaller one. You change the color to black. Draw another one, smaller one. It will be smaller for you to I think it's much more better than this way. Then after this, you draw a box. You draw a box, black one. Draw black box. Let's be aligned at the center. Change the color to black. Let's be aligned at the center. Then you copy it. Copy. Then you rotate like this. You lock your design, so lock them so I do not shift. Then rotate, align this one too at the center, horizontal, like that. Then after that, you also copy. Then you rotate it to 90 degrees or 45, whatever. I think it should be 45. Okay, yes, 45. Rotate to 45 degrees. Then after you've rotated to 45 degrees, you also let it be like that. You lock it, you copy that as well. Then you rotate anti-clockwise. You rotate 45 degrees on the other side too, like that. Then after doing this, looking at it already, it's actually coming out, giving us what we actually need. Then since we have it like this, then we'll merge all of them together. We'll merge them together. After we merge, we'll come back. We'll now go to erase color. Then you click on erase color. Then you select the black one. You increase the tolerance to around 30. Yes, then you stop. Then after that, now we have this. Now you can't just make use of this just like that. You have to what? You now need to what? Lock this one, then copy it, then hide that first one. Then we have another one here. Now, can you see now? With what we have here, we have two. On this side now we have two. Now with this one, you will now come to cleaner. You come to eraser. Then you erase all. Let's assume you want to make use of this side. This side here. You erase all others. Come in. You erase the whites from others. Erase all the whites from others. Erase all the whites. Just the whites. Erase the whites from others. So now we have just that one left. Now you can see that our eraser, we didn't actually do that well, so we still have to go back and erase them well. 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 Well, now can we see now we have this. Now since we have this, we now create. Now we have this. Then we'll create a shape. We'll create a shape, and we'll send the shape to the back. Send the shape to the back. We send this other design to the front. Set this design to the front. Then you change the color. Then change the color of the white of the shape of the box. Change the color of the box to black. Then after then, now can you see our shape here now? Then this is what we do. We merge both of these together. After we merge both of these together, then we now erase the white color there. We'll erase white color eraser, then erase the white color there. Then after we've done that, you now import your image you want to put there. Import your image, and let's assume you want to make use of something like this. Oh, good afternoon, how are you? Now let's assume you want to make use of something like this at the background. That's the image you want to use on the background. You resize it to that part, then you send it to the back. Then you send it to the back. Now you send it to the back, you reduce it the way you want it to show. Like that. After you've done that, you can change the color of this black to, let's say, green. A color that is not part of that design that you are that image you are using, or a color that is not part of the image you want to use. Then you change it. Let's assume you change to this green. They will merge both of them together. Then after we merge both of them together, we'll now come to eraser color. Then we'll pick this green and we'll erase it from the design. Now we have this left. Now this is how you do it for each and every side of this thing. Now to now put it back, now we just need to take it back here, then place it back here. Now can we see now it has fit this place back? We did not tamper with the size, we did not tamper with anything of this, the size of this thing. Now it has come back here. Then you just do it, you just arrange it well. Then after doing that, you lock that, you keep that, then you copy this thing again, then you hide that one. Then this one now will now move to another one. Let's assume we want to work with this top one. Then we erase, you come to eraser, we want to work with this one, then we erase this one that we used before. Erase every one of them except for this. This is why I did not erase the black, is because we removed the black from the eraser color from the first one before. So can you see now? Then we have this now. Then you do same thing that we did. You create another box too on the background, change the color to black, then bring your design, bring your design up. This is, bring it at the top, you can place it anywhere, then you merge them together. Then after you merge, I've talked for everything. After we merge together, then you erase the black color. Erase the black color, black one. Just leave it at 30 or whatever. Now we erase the black color. Then after then, we erase the white color. Erase the white color from it. Yes, we erase the white color. Then after then, you import another picture again. This as we want to make use of this. This one I just designed. As we just want to make use of this on the background. So we just place this, then resize it, then place it at the back like that. It's showing like this. And since it's showing like this, then we merge them together. Before we merge them, you look at the color on your design. Is the color not the same? Now let's change this black to let's look for a color that is not really this thing. Let me pick this yellow. Now let's merge together. They will merge together. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Then after you merge together, you come to eraser color, then you erase this particular one, then erase it. Then after you erase it, you are done with this as well. Then you open all others. Now I've logged this. Then this one I just did, I will now bring it back here. Now can we see now it has fit here? So that's how you just do it for all the shapes, one after the other. Thank you so much, sir.